Hey everybody, Jason here with Wisconsin's Outdoor Explorer. One of my favorite things to do outside is to grill up some food. Whether it's a gas grill, your charcoal grill, or like today, my backyard fire pit, grilling is a great way for you to get outside and most importantly, enjoy some great food. Today I'm checking out the stainless steel, fully adjustable grill from Wisconsin Outdoor Products. It makes grilling over the fire a whole lot easier and a little more fun. Let's take a look at some of the basics. It starts with two main pieces, the 48-inch stainless steel stake and the 36-inch stainless steel arm with a 17.5-inch chrome-plated grill. The center collar is powder coated and makes this grill fully adjustable forward and back, up and down, and left and right. Setup is pretty easy too. Just place a stake in the ground about a foot away from the fire pit. Then just slide the collar with the grill down on the stake and that's it. You're ready to start grilling. One of the things that I really like about this grill is the ability to swing it away from the flames to put your food on it. It's also really great for when you're ready to flip your burgers and brats, and then you just swing it back and you keep on cooking. Being able to adjust it up and down as well as forward and back gives you the ability to adjust the placement of your food over the fire so you can monitor your cooking temperature. One of the first things you'll notice with this grill is the weight. It's not a light or flimsy build and weighs about 10 pounds. I like the build quality and the grill is attached to the arm with a few small bolts so you don't have to worry about it falling off while you're cooking. And if you need to give it a good cleaning, it's pretty easy to take apart and remove. I can see where the simple setup and teardown of this grill can make it pretty handy for the camper on the go. It doesn't take a lot of space. You can throw it in your camper, strap it to your ATV if you're out riding for the day, or keep it in the back of your car for those impromptu adventures. Because of its length and weight, it might make it a little more difficult to carry if you're a backpacker, but overall, I can think of quite a few situations where this grill would be pretty handy. Overall, I think you're really gonna like this product. It's got some great features, it's easy to use, and easy to set up. If you'd like more information about this grill from Wisconsin Outdoor Products, click on the link below. For Wisconsin's Outdoor Explorer, I'm Jason. We'll see you later.